this is Henry and welcome back to another game of the Battle Arena. This time I'm fighting lots of mobs. You might have seen the other one, Battle Arena. And I hope you enjoy this one. And I hope you can subscribe and stuff, all that. So they're all coming to me first. Oh. Get out, need to get out. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hit spider. Go, go, go. Hit this enderman. Take him out. Oh. Oh. Ow. Did some damage. Enderman. Enderman are one of the hardest mobs to fight because they can teleport, and so if you want to hit them, they go to somewhere else. Oh, like that. Oh, so like that. Where is he? Creeper! Oh. What's that sound? Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Run, Henry, run. Why aren't these attacking me? Go, go, go. Run, run, run. Go. Run, 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 run. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Hit that enderman. Oh, coming after me. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Oh my god. Where is he? God. Use my bow now. Shoot it in the face. I'm not very good with a bow. Go, go, go. Shoot, shoot. Oh. See what I mean? The enderman. Go, go, go. Got to kill all of these. Oh no, creeper, creeper. Kill it. Oh. Oh. No. Where's it gonna get? Oh. There we go. Go, go, go. Still loads to go. Minecraft Pro would be good if he was here to help. But obviously he's not. Go, go, go. Kill, kill, kill. Stab. What? Run, run, run. Go out the way. Okay, it's turning night. Hello. A creeper. Run. What's that? It's a spider. Run, run, run. Go, go, go. Run. Run, Henry, run. Oh yes, one hit. Oh, they're all coming after me. Oh, shot it in the butt. Here's my diamond sword. Yes, yes, yes. Die, die. Go, go, go. Let's just check the time. Okay. Okay, this is a bit harder now because you can't really see. Ah! Okay, they're all coming after me. Ah! Oh, so quick. Come on. Ah! Oh! Oh! Took out that spider. Yes. Run. Yes. Go. Ooh. Where's that gone? What was that? Oh my god. Go. There's loads of them. I didn't know I'd spawn all these many down. What ball? The heck? What? Oh my god. Didn't know it made that weird noises. Run. Go. Shoot you in the face. Oh my god. Go. Go. Okay. Let's go. Go. Run. Run. Go. Run. Go. Shoot this enemy. Oh, that's close. In the face. Die. Right in the face. I don't know why I'm not using my diamonds. Go. What have I still got my chest plate on? Ah, where is it? Oh, I can cross it. Oh my god. Is that an Enderman? Christ. Let's shoot it. What the? Where's it gone? It teleported, but where? Is this it? Yep, this is that one. Run. Go. Okay, I'm gonna back up. What is that noise? I think it's the Enderman. Nearly killed all of them. I think this is the last one. Oh. Oh! God. hate Enderman. Christ. Is that all of them? No, one more. One more. Kill it. Go on. Yes. Is that all of them? Yay! Yay! Woo! 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 Yay! I defeated all of them. Yay! Celebration. Yay! Yay! Wait, have I? No! No, no! Need to do it before sunset. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! No! I have to do this. Just check the time. Okay, okay. Go, go, go. No! 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 One more! One more! Oh. No, no, no. Go away. Go away. Oh my god. No, no, no. No, no, no. Stupid Enderman. Come on. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yay. Woo. Woo. Now we can celebrate. I thought I had defeated them all. Yay. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. And you subscribe and all that. It doesn't matter about these spiders. I hope you can watch other videos, and if you subscribe, as said, I will add you into my shout out garden. Okay, so thanks for watching, and bye.